Hello, elders. Today back. Pranab Bandit TV. If you come first time, channel, please subscribe now. Applying for Social Security in May 2026. Three things you must know. First, Pranab Bandit TV. Thousands of Americans are applying for Social Security benefits right now, but many are shocked when their first payment arrives later than expected. Some retirees even miss important eligibility rules that delay their check completely. Before you submit your Social Security application in May 2026, there are three critical things you absolutely need to know to avoid costly surprise and payment delay. Your first Social Security check arrived later than you think. One of the biggest surprise for new retirees is that Social Security benefits are paid 1 month after they are due. For example, if your benefit officially began in August 2026, your first payment will not arrive until September 2026. Many people mistakenly expect money immediately after approval, which can create budgeting problem if they are not financially prepared for the waiting period. Your birthday determines your payment date. The Social Security Administration use your birth date to decide exactly when you receive monthly payment. Beneficiaries born between the 1st and 10th are paid on the second Wednesday of each month. Birthdays from the 11th through the 20th are paid on the third Wednesday. Those born between the 20th and 30th receive payment on the fourth Wednesday each month. Some retirees wait almost 2 months. If your birthday falls late in the month, your first payment could arrive much later than expected. For example, someone whose benefits start in August but whose birthday falls between the 20th and 30th may not receive payment until the fourth Wednesday in September. That means retiree could wait nearly 2 full months after retirement before seeing their first Social Security deposit arrive. You may not qualify the month you turn 62. Many Americans plan to start Social Security the moment then turn 62. But the rules are stricter than most people realize. The Social Security Administration require application to be 62 for the entire month before qualifying for retirement benefits. Only people born on the first or second day of a month may qualify during the same month they turn 62. Most people must wait one extra month. If your birthday fall after the second day of the month, you usually cannot receive Social Security benefit until the following month. This catches many retirees off guard because they expect immediate eligibility once they celebrate their birthday. Understanding this rule ahead of time can help you prepare extra saving, retirement income, or part-time work to cover expenses during the waiting period. Missing document can delay your application. One of the fastest way to slow down your social security application is missing paperwork before applying. Gather important document including your social security number, birth certificate, proof of citizenship or lawful immigration status, military service record if applicable, and your most recent W-2 form or self-employment tax return. Having everything ready makes the process much smoother and faster. The SSA can help, but it takes time. If you can't find all your required documents, the Social Security Administration may help locate some record for you. However, this process can take additional time and delay approval of your benefit. That is why experts recommend gathering as much documentation as possible before starting your application. Being prepared can help avoid unnecessary waiting and reduce stress during retirement planning. Plan your budget before applying. Because Social Security payment can take weeks to arrive after approval, retirement experts recommend creating a financial plan before filing. Many new retirees rely temporarily on saving pension, investing income, or part time work while waiting for their first payment. Understanding the time rules how can help prevent financial surprises and make your transition into retirement much more comfortable and predictable. After for Social Security in May 2026 may seem simple, but understanding payment timing, eligibility rule, and required document can save you from a stressful delay and budgeting problem. Knowing these three important rules before filing help retiree plan smarter and avoid surprising during one of the biggest financial transactions of their life. In this video, help you like, subscribe, and share if with someone planning to apply for social security soon. Bye bye.